In this video, I will show you how to contact a supplier for dropshipping in AliExpress. First, go to your AliExpress account, browse the products, then choose a product that you want to dropship. On the right part, you will see it says sold by. Click on the store. Once you're on the store, click on Contact Now on the upper ribbon. Here, you can now message the store for dropshipping. You can start by introducing yourself like this. Then, say that you are interested in their product and that you're looking for a dropshipping partnership. After that, you can click on Send, and the supplier will now see your message for dropshipping. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.